Jim, just tell us how many lots exactly, and what's the current size of each lot that we will have here.
So we've developed 50 lots here on approximately 17, a little bit more than 17 and a half acres, and they're about a quarter acre apiece. And then that includes also our road system and a water retention system. We may have seen on the other subdivision kind of a lake in the middle of the property, and that is for controlling water flow and rainfall, outfall, things like that. So that's kind of an environmental thing that we have to do here in Florida.
So the stormwater control, basically.
Stormwater control, right?
Basically.
Exactly.
Also, please maybe just give us an sort of the hurricane protection that you had to put on the houses. Just
Hurricane protection. All the houses here are designed for 140-mile-an-hour wind load. That's the structure itself, and then we have things called impact windows. So they're designed to take a 2x4, right? In order to pass the test, you have to take a 2x4 and launch it at a window at 200 miles an hour. And as long as the window doesn't break, then it meets the criteria. So the houses are built like little tanks, really.
so really to protect it when the weather turns here.
Yes.
How often does that happen per year?
It happens about, in this area, we've gotten about one every 10 years that is substantial. You'll see, you might see it on the maps, from wherever you're at, but generally they'll flow out into the Atlantic Ocean, or they'll kind of go around us. So we've had historically about one major storm every 10 years, and that's wind speeds of over 75 miles an hour.
And these houses are normally well insured, so that it does. So
and that's correct. They're fully insured. Usually you have about a 2% of the total value deductible. So 98% of the replacement value is always insured.
Fantastic.